Hello, our lecture today is about the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is very important gland in the body because it secretes the two important hormones, the thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Thyroid gland lie or locates directly below the larynx, anteriorly to the trachea on both sides. So first of all, let's speak about the formation of the thyroid gland. Formation of thyroid hormones. The formation of thyroid hormone. Here you can see, let's suppose that this figure represents histological structure of the thyroid gland. Inside the thyroid gland, we are going to see follicular structures, follicles of the thyroid glands, and the thyroid cells are typical cells that can produce protein. And specifically here, they produce the thyroglobulin. Thyroglobulin is produced and secreted to the inside of the follicles of the thyroid gland. So, in order to form thyroid hormones, thyroglobulin must be bind with oxidized iodine, oxidized forms of iodine, the iodides. So, iodides must be bind with thyroglobulin molecule. In fact, iodides are bind with what? Are bind with tyrosine amino acid. Inside the thyroglobulin molecule, there is about 70 tyrosine amino acid. So the first step is the binding of iodide with tyrosine. This process occurs normally, but it will take time. It will take long time. So to facilitate this reaction or process of binding between iodide and tyrosine, specific enzyme is required, which is thyroid peroxidase. This enzyme will accelerate the reaction between iodide and tyrosine to form first monoiodotyrosine. And if another iodide is added to monoiodotyrosine, this will lead to formation of diiodotyrosine. Later on, one molecule of monoiodotyrosine will bind to diiodotyrosine to yield or to result in formation of triiodotyrosine or triiodothyronine. Also, at the same time, if two molecules of diiodotyrosine bind together, this will form thyroxine. Thyroxine or T4 and triiodothyronine, the T3. So let's say again, iodide is bound with tyrosine by the help of thyroid peroxidase. This will result in formation of monoiodotyrosine. Monoiodotyrosine bind with another molecule of monoiodotyrosine to result in diiodotyrosine. If another monoiodotyrosine molecule bind with diiodotyrosine, this will form triiodothyronine, or two molecules of diiodotyrosine bind together to form thyroxine. And here, the thyroid hormones, which are the thyroxine and triiodothyronine, are formed. After that, these formed hormones will be released to the blood. About 93% of the released hormones is thyroxine. But after minutes or even days, most of that thyroxine will be deionized to be converted into triiodothyronine. So, most of the thyroid hormones that are taken by the cells and exploited are what? Triiodothyronines. Most of them are about triiodothyronines. Now let's speak about the abnormal conditions or pathological conditions of the thyroid gland. We have two important pathological conditions of the thyroid gland. First of all is hyperthyroidism. And in terms of hyperthyroidism, we have two conditions. The first one is Graves' disease, or what is called the toxic goiter, or thyrotoxicosis. And we have thyroid adenoma.